Okay, so now we are going to do transaction point for Berkshire Hathaway, not for Brush Real Estate. So you'll see Brush Real Estate here. We actually need to go into the notes section, go to Berkshire Hathaway. Where's Berkshire? Sometimes I just don't see it. BHHS. And they're going to have their login for TR Point right here. So we're going to go, we're going to add this, hit return. You'll see it still just says TR Point. Username and password, log in. If it's an invalid password, for whatever reason, LastPass, because they look exactly the same URLs, doesn't like to save two passwords. So that password is written in the notes. Here you will see it always defaults to Point Loma, so we're going to put show all, and now we are going to do pre-sale and pending. We're going to search. All right, so that pulled up our pre-sale ones we've already put in here for Robert. We're going to go ahead and work on Pine Street since we just went into escrow. We're going to go back over here to transaction summary, and we are going to enter in the transaction information. So contract acceptance date, May 1st, estimated days to closing, 30 days, 531. Our sales price, 1475000. Select loan type. It is a conventional. Escrow closing number, we want to go ahead and put in here 26783 LG. Title number we don't care about. We already put in the information, the MLS number, searched it, pulled it all up. We're going to hit save next. Now we're going to go into the contacts. So for this, the file reviewer for Mission Hills office is going to be the branch manager, which is Brent Considine. So we are going to look for him and see if he's in here. And there he is, Brent Considine. So we're going to add him. He's our file reviewer. We're going to add in our buyer's agent, which is Mark Patterson. So we're going to see if he is in here first. Patterson. We're going to search. He is not. So we're going to add him in here. First name, Mark. Last name, Patterson. Company name, Porch Light Realty. We don't know his address. We're going to come over here. Mark. Anything from him. So we'll look for stuff to him. Here we go. Here's going to be his information. We're just going to copy and paste. Again, easiest way to do it if they're not already in there is find them in your email, go back and forth, and copy and paste. Email. There we go. We're going to submit. That's going to add them in here right there. We're going to add our seller. Our seller's name. We're just going to see if he's in here since he owns real estate. He is not, so we'll go ahead and add him in. So the address is going to be the same that is on the transaction, 2439 Pine Street, San Diego, California, 92103. We're going to want to put his cell phone number in here, which I have written down right in front of me. So we'll go ahead and add that in. And we're going to add in his email as well. So it's Jeff Quinn, n50@gmail.com. Submit that. Right? So now we have me, the seller's agent, the buyer's agent, the seller. We're going to add the buyer right now. So we're going to add Robert Wynn, Nguyen. We don't have any other information, so we're just going to submit it. All right. They checked for doubles. They found one. Probably not the same person, but that's okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add providers. So we need to add in the escrow officer. That's really important. And you would think I'd be able to find him. Here we go, Laura Gosson. So they call it a closing service, which is fine. We're going to go in here. We're going to add another provider. We're going to add title. And unlike Brush Real Estate with Berkshire Hathaway, they have preferred service providers. So you are going to want, if it is a Berkshire Hathaway listing, go ahead and put in here the actual show preferred only, and then it'll probably pull up exactly who you're looking for. So in this case, it's Erica Greeny, title closing buyer. I don't have lender's information right now, so I am not going to be able to add them. All right, and then we're going to go over to activities, and we are going to want to add templated activities. So we're going to come over here and we're going to have San Diego residential, 0 SD residential revised. We're going to want to go ahead and continue. We're just going to add all of this stuff. There we go. And you'll see, just like in Brush Real Estate, it go ahead and pulls it all in, brings them all in here. You've got everything based on your timeline, right? So you could also update your key dates at this point. So we know the physical inspection contingency is going to be 17 days after acceptance. So again, click that. It's going to pull it over. Financing is 21. Title is 17. HOA docs, 17. Appraisal, 17. Bump, 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 bump. We're going to update key dates. And so you'll see in red is what is overdue. So anything that's due day 1, they're all overdue. However, I am waiting for some seller signed documents. So once I have those, I will go ahead and upload them. But until then, I'm just going to go ahead and click off some of these that I know happened. And we will update. And you'll see that they change just like that. So that is how you upload a file or start a file in Transaction Point for Berkshire Hathaway. Thanks for watching and have a great day.